Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to show you some amazing technologies that can remove millions of plastics from the ocean. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure to check out our merchandise below and get a 15% discount. In the fight against ocean plastic, the mobile skimmer made by 4Ocean always comes first because of its capacity to pull out massive amounts of plastic. After successful testing and tweaking, this machine is now deployed internationally. It is 22 feet long, having a 13-foot wingspan and 2 retractable arms. The floating debris is taken via its conveyor belts, while the retractable arms help in collecting that from the wider area. There is also a crane attached to its deck, so that trash could be easily removed from the vessel. A lot of plastic flows from the land to the sea through rivers. So the best way to stop plastic from entering the ocean is to pick it up from the rivers. The Interceptor 004 is designed for this purpose, which removes debris without interrupting the flow of water. This machine also works on a conveyor belt mechanism. However, its operation cost is much lower than its competitors, and it takes minimal labor requirements. Dustbins are used in every home, but what if we told you that a sea bin is now developed for the ocean? It is based on a tank and a pump, from which the water is sucked through a filter, whereas the trash remains in the tanks. Sea bin can filter 25 liters per hour, and it only costs $1 for the full day. Every year, India has to face severe floods due to heavy rains. These are destroying the property and carrying away garbage from villages and towns, which results in water pollution and deadly diseases. The clean tech infra is now helping the local governments to remove that waste material from the water urgently. Its gates on either side help to trap the material on the conveyor. Its storage tank is 20 cubic meters. With this vessel, 15 to 20 load shifts can be done in one day. In Maryland at Jones Fall River, a moored vessel has become a tourist attraction. They call it Mr. Trash Wheel. It removes garbage and trash from the water. But the most interesting thing is that it takes power from the river current. For the conveyor belt, there are also solar panels on the roof. Mr. Wash places trash from the harbor onto an onboard conveyor belt, which routes it into dumpsters on the vessel. Meet this monster. It's a giant dredger built for all shallow water work. Generally, it is used for dredging, piling, and raking. Its robust body and powerful hydraulics enable it to crawl with its own propulsion system until reaching the water. Now it's preparing to jump into the water. Although the Watermaster can swim, they use its firm legs beneath the water on the ground for stable operation. Once it gets ready, the operation can be started with a large selection of quickly changeable attachments. With this multi-purpose technology, the work is done cost-effectively and adequately. It removes trash and invasive aquatic vegetation by excavating and raking, and it develops riverbanks and seashores by pile driving. Watermasters can be controlled remotely. Its spuds give proper anchorage for steady and efficient piling, for excavating work, as well as for cable mounting. Humans aren't the only ones polluting the world. Sometimes Mother Nature does that too. Forest fire is a serious challenge. Every time when it flares up, thousands of breath provider trees vanish from the earth. The best solution till today is water spray from the sky. Global Supertanker is a force multiplier carrying up to 19,200 gallons of water or 18,000 gallons of fire retardant on a single flight. This improves safety margins and assists to reduce risk, as fewer aircraft in the firefighting area means less exposure to the ground and air crews. Growing grain exports and increasing size of vessels place heavy demands on associated dry bulk ship loading, ship unloading, and conveying systems. Brock Sewardle's fully enclosed Sewardle screw-type grain unloaders can discharge grain and other agri-bulk commodities at a rated capacity of up to 1,800 tons per hour. This machine is a lightweight, compact, belt-type grain loader, offering capacity of up to 2,000 tons per hour for ships up to the post-Panamax size. Its grain handling systems provide exceptional environmentally friendly performance with minimal dust and no spillage. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.